with Chad and Ashley, and this is ouRVan. Today we are in Arizona, and we're at Vermilion Cliffs. And Vermilion Cliffs is a national monument, and we're actually parked. We're going to be staying tonight. Where we're parked is surrounded by boulders. It's pretty cool. Nice little spot. It is off the road, so you do hear a little road noise, but that never really bothers us. So this spot's pretty cool besides that.
Well, as you can see from those last couple drone shots, beautiful spot we're at with these big boulders all around us, right outside our window. And now we're gonna go on this hike. If you were paying attention on the drone shot, just on the other side of the road, we're gonna hike down into there's like a creek, wash, whatever you want to call it. And if you go down and across the street, we're gonna go under the bridge, and it looks like there's some kind of canyon that's been washed out with big tall walls, and it looks pretty narrow on both sides. Might be a little bit of water down there in between. Looks really cool. We're gonna go see what we can find. We actually walked up the other direction towards these big cliffs that are out in front of us yesterday, up that way through the wash. And it wasn't as cool as we expected. It never really got into like a tight canyon, so I think this way is gonna be a lot cooler. We're gonna go check it out. As you can see, that came to an end pretty quickly because it's kind of hard to get down into it. I feel like I'm on the upper level of a canyon right now.
Well, that hike was not a success.
It was not nearly as cool as we thought it was going to be.
It was really short.
Yeah, we only got to go about a quarter mile before we hit that big drop and had to turn right around.
That's okay, because what we're doing next is pretty exciting.
What are we doing next?
We're going to Horseshoe Bend.
Yes, it's Horseshoe Bend. I'm sure you've seen a picture of it if you don't know what it is. It's towards the north end of the Grand Canyon. And it's where you're standing at the top, and the classic picture is you're just looking down and you see the big river bending around.
And you know I will have to take that classic picture.
Yes. If we take it, we'll throw it in here. Hopefully, it's open.
That's true, we don't really know.
We think it will be, but we're not positive about that. Also, though, we should show you this campsite. What else is cool that we haven't mentioned at all is all these, I guess like Native American it is, I'm assuming, because the Navajo tribe is just down the road there. But there's all these like buildings built into these boulders. You can see the house over there. And then immediately right next to us here, that's us. And look at this. Oh, all right.
I always like seeing stuff like this, and it just makes you think about like you want to know the story behind it. Like, I wish I knew who was in here.
You're really dark in this.
Am I?
Yeah. Maybe they'll see us from the light there. Anyways, we're gonna roll on down the road and hopefully see Horseshoe Bend.
I don't know how far we are, do you?
I don't know, I think like 40 miles-ish. Also, check out the location of this campsite if you're on the road and you ever want to stay here. It's pretty neat.
It's a nice spot.
Yeah, it's, so anyway.
A couple people do come and go, checking out the rocks, but it's still cool.
Yeah. We'll see you a little farther down the road.
yeah, that was our time spent at Horseshoe Bend. Pretty incredible. What a beautiful scene. We loved it, and we spent about, what, like an hour, I would say, there.
Well, that was Horseshoe Bend. Beautiful.
Awesome. Loved it.
As good, if not better, than we thought it was going to be. That one's been on our list for a while.
Yes. Good to cross it off.
Yeah, after seeing thousands of pictures of it online.
So many.
Had to visit for ourselves.
Yep.
And right nearby, it's in the town, or just outside the town of Page, Arizona. We're staying right nearby. It's just 2 miles down the road, actually. Technically, you could take a hike right through the desert behind where we're parked and get there within about
we don't
an
know
hour.
that for sure, but like it looks like it. And we thought about, why did we do that? Unless
there happens to be a canyon between here and there, which I don't think there is. At least I didn't notice one.
You can get there.
You could walk right through the desert and get there. I'm sure somebody's done it to avoid paying the $10. But anyways, we're at a Walmart here that's 2 miles away. If you look out the window right here.
What our semi-friend?
Bam! Trusty old Walmart. Yeah, also, I'm not sure. I don't think you could hear it, but you know, anyone who knows anything about RV travel knows that it seems like anywhere you park, the semis just love to park right next to you. And if you look behind us, man, could this guy have gotten any closer? Come on. Come on, guy. Like, this parking lot is empty. Look how close he is. Look at this. Out our back door, there's the motorcycle. Boom. Semi. We're talking within feet. And, you know, there was a whole parking lot for him to go to, and he chose right there. But luckily, his engine is very quiet. It's probably 30 feet away.
Yeah, so I guess out of all the ones that could have parked next to us, I guess glad it's him.
Yeah, he's going to have his engine running all night. We could move, but honestly, it's so quiet, we hardly notice it, and the noise really doesn't bother us. So, anyways, plans for tomorrow. We've been talking too long here.
Yeah.
This town of Page is also right near Lake Powell, which
I just discovered. I never thought about going here until like a week ago.
Yeah, the lake is actually part of the Colorado River, basically on the Utah-Arizona border. He's doing something. Right on the Utah-Arizona border, and I guess what this lake is really known for is its slot canyons that are all just branching off the lake in every direction almost, and you can kayak through them, and hopefully we'll be able to find one tomorrow. We're going to hope this marina launching area is open.
Yeah, we don't know.
Yeah.
I tried looking it up. Didn't really find anything.
Yeah, so we're going to go there in the morning, check it out. Hopefully it's open, and if it is, we're going to bring you along kayaking, and you'll see it right here. If not, we'll tell you that also.
Super excited.
See you over there.
Hey guys. So we made it on to the Colorado River. And what do you think, Chad?
It's pretty nice. I'm not sure if it was actually open or not.
Oh yeah.
Very debatable.
I hate to say it, but we might have just did something we really weren't supposed to, but we did it a way where it made it okay.
I mean, the park was open, but there were signs that said the boat ramp was closed, and technically we weren't vehicle launching, we were hand launching off the boat ramp, so I don't know. Yeah, I think we're good.
And we didn't even really touch the boat ramp. We kind of went on the side of it, so I don't know. But this is probably the quietest it will ever be. There's not a single other person here. It's so peaceful. The water is crystal clear. Look, you can literally see the bottom. The views are great, and we're gonna try to get into a slot canyon, see what we can do. It seems like it's a little far away, but I don't know. There's time. So,
let's give it a shot.
Yeah, so let's do it.
paddle like a pro, Ashley. Show me what you got. What's your opinion on this kayak trip so far?
I think it's beautiful.
You gotta talk in my direction though.
I think it's beautiful. Different. Oh, we're gonna pull our kayak up on here, get out, and hike a little. I'm struggling. Well, we made it to the end of the trail, the kayaking trail, and now we're on land, and we're gonna go walk over there and check it out. Pretty excited. It's really better without shoes.
So I think sometimes this part of Antelope Canyon is underwater and you can kayak all the way up here, but it just happens to be dry right now. The lines in the rocks look so cool here. Well, I think it's safe to say we found the slot canyon. That is an HD doctor.
That's so mean!
Well, we finished up our kayaking. And this is the longest boat ramp in history. It's about a quarter mile up. Well, we finished up our kayaking in Antelope Creek. Ashley, how was it?
Don't get me started. It was so nice. It was perfect. Everything was great about it. What do you think?
It was good. Great stop. We'll put on a little map to show you where you kayak, just in case you want to do the same route if you thought it looked real cool and you happen to be in the area. And that's going to wrap it up for this video. We have no idea what we're doing after this, otherwise I'd tell you. We're going to spend one more night at this Walmart here, if you can see in the sun. And when we figure that out, we'll bring you along with us. But until then, we'll see you next time.
Buddy, say bye. Say bye, bud.
Bye, buddy.